Hello, in this video I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and automatic affiliate commissions using GetPaid and Affiliate Press. To sync GetPaid with Affiliate Press, first you need to enable the GetPaid integration. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press integrations page. Enable the GetPaid integration and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the GetPaid Discounts page. This is the GetPaid Discounts page. Here you can see the discount code records. Now click the Add New Discount button. This is the GetPaid Add Discount page. Enter the title, discount code, and configure the other settings according to your requirements. This is the Affiliate Press Coupon Settings section. Search for an affiliate user and assign the coupon code to that user for commission tracking. Now click the Publish button to save the discount code. The discount code has been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Coupons page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Coupons page. Here you can see the synced coupon list and also create new coupons. Here you can see the newly added GetPaid coupon record. Now go to the front-end GetPaid Products page. This is the GetPaid Products page. Now click the Buy Now button for any product you would like to purchase. Enter the basic details for your order. This is the coupon code section. Enter the coupon code and click the Apply Coupon button. The coupon has been applied successfully. Now select the payment gateway and click the Pay Now button. The product has been purchased successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commissions page. This is the Manage Commissions page. Here you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is the newly added commission, and as you can see, the source is GetPaid. Now click on the reference number. You will be redirected to the GetPaid invoice page. Here you can see the invoice and order-related details. Now view more details. Here you can also see the coupon code that was used for this purchase. That's it. This is how coupon synchronization works between Affiliate Press and GetPaid.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.